In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and sync Outlook calendar with ClickUp. So let's get started. So open up ClickUp and go to your ClickUp account here. So once you're here on your account, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on these on your left side menu here. So click on the more option. Okay, and then click on the more option and then go to the app center. Click on the app center and go to your app center. Once you're on the app center here, so here search for the app here, so which is your Outlook calendar. Okay, search for Outlook calendar, so just click on it and open up your Outlook calendar. And once you're here, all you have to do now is click on the connect option. Okay, click on the connect option and then you just have to plug in your credentials and do the authorizations in order to connect it. So once you have provide your Outlook credentials here, so sign in with it, and once you're done with the sign in, you will authorize this to be connected to your ClickUp, and then just click on accept to authorize it. Hit on the accept option, and there you go, you're done. So it's now connected. So that's basically pretty much it is.